Hey friends, if you wish to fix the situation when there is no sound from your computer speakers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, click on this option here and make sure that the sound is enabled, and then click on this option and make sure that it is enabled for the app for which you're checking the sound. Now after this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound. Check the output section and make sure that the correct speakers are selected. If it's this one or this one, you have to decide accordingly. After this, you can return to the system tab, scroll down, and then select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And the last one is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, and then right click on the speakers and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.